And last but not the least for now, no, for the BI, nasaan na nga pala si Harry Roque? Kung hindi nyo alam kung paano nakatakas si Go Huaping, alam nyo ba kung nasaan si Harry Roque sa ngayon? Is he still in Dubai?
Madam Chair, we can't recall the dates anymore, but ang the last information that we had against on the couple, the Roques, umalis po ng Singapore yung wife, and then nagbound for Dubai. And there's also a sighting of Harry Roque also in Dubai. There's also an information na umalis po sila sometime December, and then yung information po na yon, after any information after, sorry Madam Chair, but we don't have any more information.
Alam nyo ba na pumunta silang, or at least si Harry Roque pumunta sa Singapore sa loob ng isang araw?
Um,
Or rather, pumunta ng siya. Alam nyo ba na pumunta siyang Shanghai for 1 day?
Meron pong information pero wala po kaming validated proof na nag-enter po siya ng China.
At meron ba kayong information or validated proof na mula sa Shanghai, na isang araw lang ang tinagal niya doon, tumuloy siya sa Macau?
Madam Chair, sorry, wala po kaming ano, pero meron po kaming alam na pumunta rin po siya ng Japan. And hindi po siya nakaalis. Supposed to be bound for US, pero denied flight, denied the check-in. So, wala rin naman hong holdings ang Japan Police or Japan Immigration. Then after that, wala na po kami information.
Saan po siya sa Japan ayon sa information?
Wala, sorry, wala po kaming exact details.
And bound supposedly saan sa US ayon sa information?
We don't have any information also, Madam Chair.
So do you know if he's still in Macau?
Sorry, Madam Chair, we don't have any information.
All right. Salamat, Chief Manahan.